Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond 90540 London Road at Master Feeds for a general fire alarm called in by the alarm company. The Zone 6 fire sprinkler flow and key holders are pending. Again, that's at Master Feeds, 90540 London Road for a fire alarm. Time of first page is 21:23:34. Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to Master Feeds at 90540 London Road. Your crossroads will be Bach Line and Glenannan Road. The general fire alarm, Zone 6 fire sprinkler flow, and key holders are pending. Again, that's at Master Feeds, 90540 London Road for a fire alarm called in by the alarm company. Time of second page is 21:24:31.
That's Fire Dispatch North Huron, Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
Car 2 acknowledges page for the Wingham Station and Master Feed. Wingham Station responding shortly.
That's Roger. You're acknowledging page 21:25:01. Fire Dispatch, Car 2.
Go ahead, Dispatch, it's Car 2.
We've received another call from the alarm company. They spoke with key holder who advises their staff on scene there. There's no fire. They believe it's possibly a frozen wire. They have not requested a cancellation.
Roger that. We'll still respond then.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch called North Huron Engine 1.
Go ahead, Engine 1.
Engine 1 responding to 90540 London Road, Master Feeds for report of alarm activation. Delta plus 5 belted.
That's Roger, Engine 1. 21:29:41.
Fire Dispatch, you can show Engine 1 on scene. Nothing showing. Delta be command. Command will be mobile.
That's Roger, Engine 1. You're on scene. There's nothing showing. Delta's in command and mobile is 21:33:05.
Engine 1, call command. You pull around to the back, shoot back and then stage 2 firefighters back there. Pull around to the back scale and then have 2 firefighters stage outside if we gotta find that sensor. Go ahead, 43 command. Roger that. We're just in the back room going over controls and what's already been checked. We can meet with the key holder shortly. Yeah. Command copies. Thank you, 43. Fire Dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
So we do have alarm activations on zone 1, 6, 7, and 11. Zones are being investigated. Nothing showing at this time.
That's Roger. You have an alarm activation in zones 1, 6, 7, and 11. You have nothing showing and are investigating. It's 21:43:10.
Go ahead, 44, command. Copy that, 44. Now that alarm is a low temperature alarm. Do you see anything that's frozen in there at all? Roger that, 44. Engine 1, call command. Do you have someone out of the truck start the scene release form, please? Fire Dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show fire and the key holder have checked all zones. Nothing found. We're calling a faulty sensor activation. Property is being turned back over to the key holder. All units will be returning to Wingham Station. Command is terminated.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Delta.
Go ahead. North Huron Delta, go ahead for dispatch.
Show all Wingham units back in hall, back in service. If you could clear off this call for me, please.
It's Roger, 220536.